Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create shake effect for your text with Filmora 11. Okay, so just make sure that you have Filmora 11 on your computer. I will put the link in the description for you to download it. And if you want to purchase Filmora license, don't forget to use my 20% discount coupon code in the description. Alright, so let's take a look at the example. Okay, so here's my Filmora start page. The first thing, we want to create a new project. Just select the aspect ratio right here. I'm going to make a YouTube video, so I will select 16:9. Okay, and click this button to create a new project. And the next thing, we need a video. Okay, so I'm going to use the stock media right here. Go to my stock media and select download the folder. Okay, so this is a 1080p video. Just drag and drop it onto the timeline, put it at one video track. Okay, and the next thing, we want to create the text. Okay, for example, I want to create the text right here at this position. Now in Filmora 11, all I need to do is to click this button, quick text. Okay, just click here, and now we have the text here on the timeline, and we can double click at the text to customize it. For example, I can type here text shake, and I want to make it bigger. Okay, so let's say 120. Nice. And also I will change the fonts to my favorite one, Barlow Black, and I'm going to move it to this area at the center. Okay, so this is the first text with no animation, no shake effect or stuff like that. Now we need to add shake effect. Okay, just put the playhead at the beginning of the title, and we can go to effect, and then we want to select filter. Okay, so this is a filter folder. Select this drop down menu and select shake right here, and now you have 10 different shake effect here. You can use any of them. Okay, for example, I will use this one, the sideways number 1. Just drag and drop it here on top track right here, and let's make it about 3 frames or stuff like that, and then split the effect. Okay, I will delete the rest here, and then I'm going to duplicate this one. Just press Ctrl D to duplicate the effect. Okay, and now just drag and drop it here at the end of the text, and let's play it first. I think it's nice, but it's also shake the video, so we can hide the video first. Okay, and now here's the text shake effect. Very nice. Now we need to export this title with a transparent background. Okay, to do that, we can press X on our keyboard, and then we can adjust the in point to this one, and also the out point. By the way, I'm going to click this option to view the out point. Okay, so here's the out point, so it's okay now. And let's export the video. Just click the export button and select GoPro Cineform. Okay, and go to setting, and we want to select the quality, best quality here. Just select it, and then we want to select the encoder. Okay, just click this drop down menu and select CHD Alpha, and then we can click OK, and now click export and wait a few seconds. Okay, and click open folder, and here's our first effect. Okay, just drag and drop it to Filmora. I'm going to put it right here first, and let's close this window and press Shift X to get rid of the selected portion. Okay, and now we can put this video at the top track right here, and we can hide or delete this title. Okay, for example, I can hide this one, and now we can unhide the video at the bottom. Okay, so here's a text shake effect. Let's play it. Very nice, right? And if you want to add some sound effect and background music, it is also very easy. Just go to the audio, and I'm going to use a free one. Let's type here glitch and press enter, and now we can use this one, digital glitch number 1. So drag and drop it here on the timeline and reduce the volume, trim it, okay, trim it to the length of the effect, and we can duplicate this one and put it at the end. And finally we need to export this project, and we have text track effect in Filmora 11. Okay, so this is a simple way to create text track effect in Filmora 11. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.